Here's how we set thumbnails for YouTube Shorts using YouTube Studio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and then tap on the plus icon here at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on that, you can just tap on the short option over here and then create a short by clicking on the video. Now after clicking on the video, all you have to do is tap on the tick mark and then you can see the option of next. Now as you tap on next, you'll be able to add the details. So in order to add the thumbnail, what you have to do is tap on this pencil icon over here at the top and then you can select the thumbnail based on any of the images or any of the moment during the video over here. So since it's plain black, I'm going to select randomly and then tap on done and then go to the visibility option over here, tap on visibility and then go to unlisted. Now go back and then tap on upload short and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.